Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall forecast projects and team workspaces. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall forecast projects and team workspaces, begin by logging into your forecast account. Navigate to the dashboard where your projects are listed. Locate the specific project you wish to uninstall. Click on the project to open its details. Once the project details page is visible, look for the settings icon, often represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access project options. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option to delete or uninstall the project. Click on the delete or uninstall option. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to verify your choice. Read the information carefully to understand that this action is irreversible. If you are sure you want to proceed, click on the Confirm button. The project will begin the uninstallation process and will eventually be removed from your dashboard. Next, if you want to uninstall Team Workspaces, go back to the main dashboard. Locate the Team Workspace you wish to remove. Click on the workspace to access its settings. Similar to projects, find the settings icon within the workspace. Select the settings icon to view the available options. Scroll down to find the option labeled Delete or Uninstall Workspace. Click on it to initiate the removal process. A confirmation prompt will appear, requiring your confirmation. If you wish to continue, confirm your action. The Team Workspace will be uninstalled and removed from your account. Finally, verify that the project and workspace no longer appear on your dashboard. This completes the uninstallation process for both forecast projects and team workspaces. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.